This OGAds method can earn you up to $100 per day if you actually watch the video and take action. Now promise me you're going to take action, because you can have your first ever OGAds commission sitting there in your account by the end of the day. So we'll jump into the video and we'll get started. So first you need to go ahead and create your account on OGAds.com. So go ahead and sign up. If you don't already have an account, you can just sign up for free. Now if you want to do this with another CPA network, you can do. You can do it with CPA Grip, Max Bounty, CPA Lead. So choose your CPA network. For the video though, I'm just going to go with OGAds. Now when we're first on OGAds and we're inside our account, we want to go ahead and create a content locker. To do that, go to Tools, then Content Lockers, and it will bring you here. So follow what I do here because these steps are quite important. So go ahead and click on Create a New Content Locker, and that will bring you to this landing page here. Now we're going to create a giveaway styled content locker, and I'm going to show you what I mean now. So here you've got the basic fields, you've got advanced, desktop, and mobile. We're going to be focusing on mobile traffic because our offer is going to convert way better on mobile, and our traffic source that we're going to use, they're all going to be coming from mobile as well. So enter a name here. This is just for your personal reference. Then we're going to scroll down, and we don't need to change anything here except from the unlock action. You just want to go ahead and remove the locker. Then we can go ahead and scroll up, and we need to go to mobile specific. So here we are on mobile specific, and now here's where we need to change some stuff, which is going to be very important. So here where it says mobile title, instead of content locked, you want to go ahead and change that to enter a giveaway. And then here you've got unlocking will allow access to premium content. What we're going to do is we're going to just simply remove that completely. So now we've just got enter a giveaway. Now what we need to do is customize the offers so they show giveaway offers that our traffic can enter. Now to do that, you want to go where it says mobile offer type sort, and you want to prioritize CPA and pin submits. So when I click on this now, you'll see we get a lot of offers. So you can see we've got gift card offers, we've got different giveaway offers that people can enter. And this is how this whole method works, because when they go ahead and see these offers, they're going to be giveaway offers that they can enter. So once we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and create that locker. We can then scroll down, go to actions on that locker and view details. And here we can copy, we just simply want to copy the URL. So go ahead and copy that. Now we need to go on to step 2, which is building a landing page for our giveaway and convincing the traffic that our giveaway needs to be entered, and they have no choice but to enter our giveaway. So to create our landing page, we're going to go ahead and create it on Linktree. So go ahead and go to Linktree and just create a free account. Again, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but it is completely free and it will take 5 seconds. Now, once you're on Linktree, you want to create an account in kind of like the make money online niche, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving them 3 steps that they need to follow to enter the giveaway. So go to add a new link, and the first thing you want to do, you want to go to title and just type out step number 1. Then we're going to tell them that step number 1, they need to follow an account. So step number 1 is follow this account, and we're going to go ahead and fill out the URL section, and I'll show you what URL to put in a second, but just bear with me. Now we're going to add a new link, and we're then going to type out step number 2 and step number 3, so we'll be back once I've done that. Okay, so I've created all the 3 steps, and you can see here they're not in order, so we're just going to go ahead and drag number 1 to the top, and then number 2 in the middle. So you've got step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. Now we need to fill out these boxes and enter in their URLs so we can kind of create a 3-step funnel here that our traffic is going to go through. Now first we're going to go ahead and go to step number 3, and we're going to go ahead and type in, or paste in, our CPA link which we've got from OGAds. So now we need to fill in the other 2, and here's what we need to do for that. So what we need to do now, we need to go ahead and go over to Instagram. You can see I've got an account open now. This is my account, which is in the Make Money Online niche. What you want to do is you want to create your own account in the Make Money Online niche. Now you don't have to grow the account or anything. You only need to post 1 photo. So just bear with me and I'll explain the whole thing. So once we've got our account created, make sure you just go ahead and find a profile picture from Google. You give it a Make Money Online-ish name, and you just post 1 picture from Instagram, which you can download from another profile, but just make sure you credit them. We then want to go ahead and grab our link to our Instagram account. So this is our Instagram account that we've just created in the Make Money Online niche. Then we're going to go ahead and go to step number 1, follow this account, and we're going to go ahead and simply paste in our Instagram account here. Now step number 2, like this post, we're just going to go ahead and go back to our Instagram account, and we're going to grab the URL of our post that we've made. Now again, you can go ahead and get this post from Instagram from another account and just credit them, Get it from Google or create your own post. It really doesn't matter. Just make sure it kind of fits your niche. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, and we're going to go back to Linktree and simply paste that in here. So now we've got step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. A landing page looks something like this. Step number 1, follow this account. That will go to our Instagram. Step number 2, like this post. That will go to our post that we've made. And step number 3, enter the giveaway, which will go to the OGAds giveaway page. Now we're going to go ahead and copy this Linktree link, and we're simply going to go ahead and go back to Instagram, go to our profile, go to settings, and we're going to go ahead and paste it into the website and then click submit. Now we've done that, you can see our link is here, and now we can just go ahead and tell people it's a giveaway. You just want to go ahead and type enter giveaway here. And then quick tip, if you go to Google and you type in emojis, you can go to getemoji.com and we can just put an emoji. So I've just searched for pointing, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy this one and then put a pointing arrow, which is going to point down to our website. So we can now click submit. So there we go. There is our giveaway page set up, which goes to our Linktree profile, which then goes to our giveaway. Now we're going to get traffic, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and search for make money online or something along that niche. You can also search for online business, or you can also search for giveaways, because there are a lot of giveaway profiles on Instagram. So you can go ahead and search for all of them keywords. And you just want to then open up different accounts which are in that niche, and then go to their followers. And you're simply just going to go ahead and start following a bunch of people. So go follow, follow, follow. Just do that until Instagram doesn't let you follow anymore for that day. Then some of those people are going to check out your Instagram profile. They're going to see that you've got a giveaway. And if they go to your Linktree page and then enter your giveaway by completing an action and giving their email, you're going to earn money from OGAds. They've already gone through the first 2 steps of following your account, liking the post. So in their mind, they might as well just go ahead and give their email so they can just enter the giveaway. That's going to result in daily commissions for you. You just need the traffic, and you just need to keep following people. So I hope that video helped. Let me know if you're going to try it. If you want a new method, check this video out here and subscribe for more Make Money Online videos.